Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool aesthetic frame on CapCut PC. So go to library and select any picture you want. You can download it or you can get it from the app. I'm just going to use this green one. Go to mask and select circle. Right click, create compound clip, and select any shape you want. I'm just going to select star. I'm just going to invert that. Okay. Then I'm going to go to mask and I'm going to mask the video behind. And I want to add a shadow, so go to library and add in a black stock video underneath. Select the circle one first. Doesn't have to be perfect. Right click, right click, create compound clip. Then select the star shape again, select reverse. Adjust it, and you're going to feather it out so it creates this shadow. And you can even add in like a background underneath by going to style, something like that. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!